Classroom modifications for the ADHD child. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, ADHD, is one of the most common childhood disorders and can continue through adolescence and adulthood. Symptoms include difficulty staying focused and paying attention, difficulty controlling behavior, and hyperactivity. Studies show that the number of children being diagnosed with ADHD is increasing, but it is unclear why. ADHD affects about 4.1% American adults aged 18 years and older in a given year. The disorder affects 9% of American children aged 13 to 18 years. Boys are 4 times at risk than girls. What can we do to help the ADHD child in the classroom? This is a common question among educators, since more students are being diagnosed as having ADHD. The following slides will provide you with some of the most common modifications to help the ADHD child in your classroom. These modifications can be done for the elementary, middle, or high school aged students. Modification number 1, daily schedule. Have a daily schedule for the child placed on their desk, showing in words and pictures what will be happening that day. Go over the schedule with the child each morning and make them aware of any changes that may occur. Modification number 2, post all assignments on the board. After giving the directions orally, place the assignment on the board with the steps in chronological order. For younger children, you can show pictures for the steps, such as color, cut, paste, write. For older students, you can write the steps out using words. Modification number 3, assignment sheet. Give the child an assignment sheet daily with all assignments written down and their homework for that night highlighted. The teacher should sign it as well as the parents. Modification number 4, sit near the teacher. Have the child sit near the teacher. This allows the teacher to make sure that the child is staying on task. Modification number 5, make a space for the child's belongings. Have a place in the classroom or in the hallway where the child can place their belongings. Label it with the child's name or a symbol. This spot should stay the same throughout the school year. Modification number 6, place desk items in crates. Place the child's desk items, such as textbooks, workbooks, silent reading books, in a crate. The crate should be somewhere in the classroom where the child has to move to get the items. This allows the child to get up. More modifications. These are some of the most common classroom modifications for the ADHD child. You can visit the following website for a much larger list, which includes 133 modifications.